Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today our topic is social disorganization theory. So let's dissect this topic in complete depth. In 1942, two criminology researchers from the Chicago School of Criminology, Clifford Shaw and Henry D. Mackay, developed social disorganization theory through their research. The theory of social disorganization states, a person's physical and social environments are primarily responsible for the behavioral choices that a person makes. At the core of social disorganization theory is that location matters when it comes to predicting illegal activity. Shaw and Mackay noted that neighborhoods with the highest crime rates have at least three common problems: physical dilapidation, poverty, and higher level of ethnic and culture mixing. Shaw and Mackay claimed that delinquency was not caused at the individual level, but as a normal response by normal individuals to abnormal conditions. The crux of the social disorganization theory is that the residential location of a person plays an important role in deciding that, how much chances are there for him to be involved in illegal activities. So, this theory basically says that the location, where a person is living matters a lot. If it is a good location, and is well-organized area, then there will be less chances for that person to get himself involved in illegal activities, and if the area where he is living is disorganized, then there will be more chances that the man will do illegal activities. So, basically this theory says that neighborhood affects the crime rate. Social disorganization theory is widely used as an important predictor of youth violence and crime. Social disorganization theory and delinquency. Poverty is the mother of crime, Marcus Aurelius. Shaw and Mackay discovered that there were four specific assumptions as an explanation of delinquency. The first assumption is the collapse of community-based controls, and people living in these disadvantaged neighborhoods are responding naturally to environmental conditions. The second is the rapid growth of immigration in urban disadvantaged neighborhoods. The third is business located closely to the disadvantaged neighborhoods that are influenced by the ecological approach of competition and dominance. The fourth and last assumption is disadvantaged urban neighborhoods lead to the development of criminal values that replace normal society values. Social disorganization theory suggests that a person's residential location is more significant than the person's characteristics when predicting criminal activity, and the juveniles living in these areas acquire criminality by the culture's approval within the disadvantaged urban neighborhoods. Therefore, location matters when it comes to criminality according to social disorganization theory. The future of the theory. Social disorganization theory has received a lot of attention within criminology disciplines since the theory was first introduced in 1942. Many studies in US large cities have duplicated the findings of Shaw and Mackay original study. Social disorganization theory studies can help government and law enforcement policy makers make informed decisions, from the evidence to form strategies that help prevent criminal activity in disadvantaged communities, to make it safer for all.